What if you witnessed Mansa Musa's pilgrimage to Mecca? You look up, and the horizon is turning gold. At first, you think it's the sun. Then you realize it's not sunlight. It's gold. Thousands of people are marching through the Sahara Desert, carrying more wealth than you have ever seen in your life. And at the center of it all is one man, Mansa Musa. You stand beside terrified merchants as a massive dust cloud grows larger in the distance. The ground trembles beneath your feet. Children climb rooftops. Traders stop speaking. Even the guards stare silently toward the horizon. Rumors spread for weeks before this moment. A king from West Africa is coming. He travels with mountains of gold. He is richer than entire kingdoms. Nobody believed the stories. Until now.
The caravan finally appears. Thousands of soldiers dressed in flowing cloth and gold jewelry. Servants carrying supplies. Scholars riding beside warriors. And camels. So many camels, you cannot count them. Every single one carrying bags of gold. You have never seen wealth like this before. Not even close. The sunlight reflects off the gold so brightly, it almost hurts to look at it.
The crowd suddenly parts. Then you see him, Mansa Musa, draped in luxurious robes, surrounded by guards, calm, silent, untouchable. This is the Emperor of Mali, the ruler of one of the richest empires on earth. And somehow, the rumors did not exaggerate him. People rush toward the caravan in disbelief. You watch servants hand out gold to beggars. Merchants receive gold bars as gifts. Entire crowds scream and push forward, hoping to touch the treasure. Gold pours through the city like water. And then something unbelievable happens. Prices begin to change. Food becomes more expensive. Markets become unstable. Merchants panic. You are literally watching one man's wealth affect an entire economy. You continue traveling with the caravan across endless deserts beneath burning skies. At night, thousands of campfires light up the darkness like stars. Soldiers guard the emperor while scholars discuss religion and science beside the tents. You realize this is not just a pilgrimage. This is power. A message to the world that beyond the Sahara, there exists an empire wealthier than anyone imagined. You stand among the crowd, watching Mansa Musa disappear into the distance. And suddenly, the world feels bigger than it did before. Because everything you were taught about power, about wealth, about Africa, changes in this moment. The caravan slowly vanishes beneath the horizon. The desert becomes quiet again. But nobody around you will ever forget what they witnessed. Centuries from now, people will still speak about Mansa Musa. The king so wealthy, he stunned the world. Subscribe for more POV journeys into the moments history never should have forgotten.